Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Anissa Sivanyarum with name 24140400016. In this video, I am reading the abstract of our journal. The title of our journal is The Application of Bamboo Dancing Cooperative Learning Model on Student Mathematical Cognitive Abilities at MEPUI Cipari Kuningan. Abstract. The purpose of the study was to determine the application of the bamboo dancing type, to determine the student mathematical cognitive abilities, to determine the application of bamboo dancing type to mathematical cognitive abilities. The study used a quiz experimental design. In taking the sample, used purpose sampling technique. The study used two classes, namely SIG A is many as 22 students as the experimental class, and SIG B as many as 27 students as the control class. The research instrument was in the form of multiple choice test question. Test question as given on the pre-test and post-test question. Before the test question are given the test instrument in the form of validity test, reliability test, difficulty level of the question, and distinguishing power of the question are analyzed first. Analysis of hypothesis testing data in this study used the independent sample t-test which has previously been tested for normality and homogeneity. The result of the study indicate that 1. The application of the bamboo dancing type is running well and effectively. This can be seen from the increase in the average increase in the experimental class using the bamboo dancing type. 2. The data from the initial and final test result of the two classes were analyzed. The average result of the experimental class pre-test is 54.55 and the post-test test is 87.14. So there is an increase of 59.74%. Meanwhile, the control class pre-test average was 53.33 and the post-test average was 72.19. So there was an increase of 35.36%. This is reinforced by the mean difference test, t-test, which is obtained greater than, namely 5.324, smaller than 1.678, and the significance value is below 0.05, namely 0.00, smaller than 0.05. Based on the n-gain test, the experimental class n-gain value was 0.72, which had high criteria, and the control class was 0.51, which had moderate criteria. 3. Based on the test result, it shows that HA is accepted and H0 is rejected. In CAT, it can be concluded that there is an effect of the bamboo dancing type on mathematical cognitive abilities. Okay, thank you for watching.